Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to listen to a conversation at a restaurant. It is a simple story about two friends having dinner. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, here is today's question. What does Emma order at the restaurant? Please listen carefully to find the answer. If you find it, let me know your answer in the comments. This will help you improve faster. All right, let's get started.
Hey Emma,
Hi Tom.
are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat lunch today.
Really? Why not?
I was busy with work.
That happens sometimes.
Yeah, I need a good meal.
Same here.
Look over there.
Where?
That restaurant on the corner.
Oh, I see it.
It looks nice.
Yes, it looks clean and cozy.
Do you want to try it?
Yes, let's go.
Wow, it's nice inside.
Yes, it's very comfortable.
I like the lighting.
Me too. It feels calm.
Let's sit here.
Okay.
Let's look at the menu.
Sure.
There are many options.
Yes, I see pasta, burgers, and salads.
Everything looks good.
I know. It's hard to choose.
What do you usually order?
I often order pasta.
Pasta is always a good choice.
Yes, it's simple and delicious.
What kind of pasta do you like?
I like tomato pasta.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I usually get a burger.
Of course you do.
Hey, burgers are great.
Yes, they are.
But today I want something different.
Oh, really?
Yes, maybe I'll try pasta.
Nice. You can try something new. Oh, look at this.
What is it?
Grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, and it looks good.
Good choice.
I think I know what I want.
What will you get?
I'll get the pasta.
Nice.
Tomato pasta.
Good choice. I'm still thinking.
Take your time.
Pasta or chicken?
Both are good.
Yes, but I feel like eating rice today.
Then go with chicken.
Okay, I will order the grilled chicken.
Great.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the tomato pasta, please.
Okay,
And I'll have the grilled chicken with rice.
got it. Anything to drink?
Water, please.
I'll have iced tea.
Sure.
Good choice.
Thank you.
I like iced tea too.
It's refreshing.
I'm really hungry now.
Me too.
I can't wait.
Same.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
Wow, it looks great.
Yes, it smells amazing. Let's eat.
Yes, let's.
This pasta is really good.
Nice.
The sauce is rich and tasty.
That sounds perfect. My chicken is great too.
Really?
Yes, it's juicy and soft.
That's good. Do you want to try mine?
Sure. Oh, this is really good.
Right.
Yes, I like the tomato flavor.
I'm glad. Can I try yours?
Of course.
This is very nice.
You like it?
Yes, it's simple but delicious.
Exactly.
I'm happy we came here.
Me too.
The food is great.
And the place is nice.
We should come again.
Yes, definitely.
I'm getting full.
Me too. But I still have a little space.
Same here. I can eat a little more.
Maybe we can share a dessert.
That's a good idea.
Yes, let's share something small.
Let's look at the dessert menu.
Okay.
Oh, they have chocolate cake.
That sounds good.
And cheesecake too.
I like cheesecake.
Me too. It's creamy and not too sweet.
Yes, it's smooth and light.
Chocolate cake or cheesecake.
That's a hard choice.
Both look great.
I know. Everything looks delicious.
What do you feel like eating?
I think I want something light.
Then cheesecake.
Yes, cheesecake sounds perfect.
Okay, let's get one cheesecake.
Good idea.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Would you like some dessert?
Yes, please. One cheesecake, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
I'm excited for dessert.
Me too.
I love sweets after a meal.
Yeah, dessert makes everything better.
It feels like a reward.
Exactly.
Here is your cheesecake.
Thank you.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Yeah, it looks really good. Let's share it.
Okay,
I'll cut it in half.
thanks.
Here you go.
Thank you. This is so good.
Really?
Yes, it's very creamy.
Let me try. Yeah, that's delicious.
Right?
It's sweet, but not too sweet.
Yes, it's just right.
I'm glad we ordered this.
Me too.
It was a great choice.
Yes, a very good choice. I feel happy now.
Me too. Good food always makes me happy.
Same here.
That was a really nice meal.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
The food was great, and the dessert was perfect.
And the atmosphere was nice too.
Should we go now?
Yes, let's go.
I'll pay the bill.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's my treat today.
Really? Thank you.
No problem.
I'll get it next time.
Deal.
Deal.
Let's come here again sometime.
Yes, I'd like that.
Maybe next week.
Sounds good.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, let's go back to the question. What does Emma order at the restaurant? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.